Xiaomi 14T. That one RAM is 12 GB, 12 plus 12, and the storage is ROM 256 GB. The color is black. So we unboxing today this one. The Redmi Buds 5 Pro also we get free this one, and the charger 67. This time, first time they give good thing. The buds, it's nice.
No, listen him. What is it? The black mamba.
Cut here. Give me, I will cut.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy. Yeah. This what he buy Redmi what?
Sorry?
This.
By
Why you not tell me?
you have this?
Yeah, everything have. Everything have. He give you how much?
220.
It's very expensive. I give you maybe 170, I think.
70?
Yeah, 170. 170.
70.
Not only 70. It's 50 ringgit discount. I told you that day I have all things. You buy very expensive. This is the cover, yeah. It's very nice.
Yeah, very nice piece.
Yeah. The case nice. The phone also nice.
Yeah. It's a new phone, right?
Now turn on. Give me, I will activate.
Đó vậy. Cái đó mới được. Đó chỉ đang một cái gì. कितने का आती है?
आ भी छड़िया मैं
कितने का? ਇਹ ਗਲਾਸ ਮੈਂ ਲਾਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ 100 ਰਿੰਗਟ ਚਾਰਜ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ।
ਉਹ ਲੈ ਲਿਓ ਯਾਰ, ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਰजेस। This one I have YouTube channel, so I will send you the link.
Because for YouTube.
Hey, come.